Okay guys, this next video you're gonna see is us just hanging out in the garage working on this thing. It was just over the weekend. My nephew was here, my two boys. Yeah, so they changed this. I think I said it on the last video. So basically they added, or they changed the coolant outlet. So it's now here and here, just like the rear wheel drive 4AG 16 valve. On the front wheel drive, which was this engine's originally, distributors back here, all the water outlet is here going this way, you know, because this is the front of the car. Radiator will be right here. Yeah, so just enjoy this next video. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but yeah, we're not explaining anything. We're just really just working on this thing while hanging out. Hope you guys like it. All right, till next time. Melody says she'll edit it.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Is it set up? What?
The other time it's just over there.
Yeah, no, bro. Yeah, I got it. Welcome to my unboxing video. It's not really an unboxing video. Alright, where does this piece fucking go?
Do you want him to do $11 less next year, or just keep it at 50?
Just keep it at 50 the entire time. I'm gonna change my shirt real quick. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
I'll find no other ear for that.
No, what happened to that? Yeah. Might be in the house. Hold on, I gotta take a shit anyway.
This is the wrong fucking size.
14, 12,
11, 10, 9.
Fall confused.
it's already gonna be 12 though. 12, 14, 12, 14, 10. 10, 12, 14. The hell?
This shit looks like one of Hitler's
Not
creations.
a fucking, is it a fucking like 11 or something?
No. Wow, what's that?
This is a 12.
Should be 12 there.
I don't know, man.
But then if that, then again your wrench, that wrench might be broken though.
Yeah, that wrench is broken.
Oh shit. Well, see, why didn't you tell me you have broken shit still? Why don't you throw this shit away?
One piece of fucking warranty because it's not one. How much is the full frame one?
This one, dude, this is like 700 bucks.
700?
Yeah.
There's I'm planning to get a full frame, but it's too the greatest. When I was looking around for cameras, I thought of it as like vlogging and shit.
Hey, do you have a like an empty magnet shit I could use
What are you talking
for the bolts?
Oh, like a magnet tray. Magnetic tray.
Yeah.
This fucking dick stick. Dick stick. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, man.
What is the coolant housing?
Yep. Comes with fucking useless hoses. Are they really useless?
Why the fuck is it on there? What's in YouTube?
I don't know, but I gotta remove.
Where does this shit go anyways?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. You guys are like, ich weiß ja, welche Hentai.
Well, I
I
mean,
don't fucking know shit about this shit.
maybe we should unbox some other shit too.
Well, that shit looks like the piece that you know, like it's supposed to. Everything else is.
Top water around it. This is. Where the fuck is our cameraman? Get over here. How do the photos come out when you import them? Do they come out darker or no?
I have like different filters on, so.
Well, like not only that, but like when you import it, do they come out like different from what they show?
I have not imported it yet.
Oh, well, let me know.
You trying to roll a squint?
Because when I import shit right, it doesn't come out the way, like the way it shows on the
It's
thing.
leaking hella fucking coolant.
Just because.
That's not even hella cool, man.
Yeah, I know, but I'm afraid if I unbolt it all the way, it's about to.
Get rid of that.
You gotta fucking get one of those.
What is this? Is this coolant right here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Put,
well, I'm not trying to get this camera dirty, so.
it's waterproof. Just dump it in there and get a point of view. Alright, 3, 2, 1, out me.
Hold on.
Welcome to my 20Valve unboxing video. Did I fuck up your shot? Oh shit, bro.
Get it from here.
That's not gonna work.
See?
I'll just take off the fucking shits.
You just take this off
Yeah.
right here, right? No, this one.
No, I gotta do fucking.
Really? Black one?
Because if. Okay, I guess I'd do this one.
Hold this. No, this. Just undo this one. 10.
We have 4 people working on one bolt.
You able to get to it? Just unbolt this and then you just stick a wrench in there.
Is that a 12? Is this a 12? Alright, that's it. Whatever's holding that and that. Don't lose it.
Where's
It's rounding.
No, really.
Right.
Thought it was making it square.
No, making it an oval.
Thought it was making it so that you can. Did you get it or not?
Well, get a different one.
Let's get this off. Unless if there's more than one thing holding it.
Motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Wouldn't it have just been easier just to take these two things off?
So I was thinking too, but they've already loosened that off.
Yeah, I'm telling you, just to fucking take these off.
It's alright. Probably can do it without taking anything off.
No, it's 11. It's not 12. I think it's up.
Show real quick. We'll put this one right here.
What did you do? No, it's like $7,000 right there you just damaged.
You dented the roller?
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, he's got the same bumper I got. J Blood bumper. And this goes up on the top. Boop.
Is that where it goes?
Soon. There you go.
That's what Toretto said. Can't find the right tools in this place. You don't belong here. There you go. I want to flush it. It looks hella gunky.
Yeah, I know. Shit.
Fucking old people. Water from an old British guy.
What do you do? Fucking use dirt as coolant?
Nah, he used tea bags.
That's what it looks
Yeah.
like.
Just poke a hole somewhere.
I did poke a fucking hole.
No, it's on the side. Just poke a hole somewhere.
No, but then this.
Well, that's no, that.
It's not gonna come out the
Let me
fucking-
see.